Are you still using the same old CV that's getting ghosted by recruiters? In 2025, you've got a secret weapon that most job seekers aren't even using: ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use AI to write a professional, tailored CV that actually gets you interviews. We'll cover prompts you can use to improve your existing CV, write compelling summaries, extract accomplishments, tailor your CV to any job description, and even prepare for interviews. Stick around to the end for a bonus prompt that will give you a real edge. Let's jump in. First of all, don't start from scratch. Upload your existing CV into ChatGPT and ask, here is my current CV. Can you suggest improvements to make it more professional, concise, and aligned with best practices in 2025? This prompt helps ChatGPT act like a virtual CV editor, cutting fluff, improving formatting, and even suggesting modern keywords. Already better, right? But we're just getting started. Now let's make your CV stand out with a strong professional summary. Use this prompt. Based on my experience in, specify your field, write a compelling professional summary for CV targeting, input your target role or industry. Then let ChatGPT highlight your strengths in a way that grabs attention right at the top of your CV. We can also use ChatGPT to help you turn your responsibilities into accomplishments. So this is the prompt you're going to use. Here is a list of my responsibilities. Can you rewrite them as an achievement-based bullet points using action verbs and metrics where possible? This will turn manage a team into led a team of 5 to launch X project 2 weeks ahead of schedule. That's what hiring managers love to see. We love to see accomplishments. What did you actually do instead of responsibilities? You could also give it some of your accomplishments and ask it to rewrite them using the same prompt. See how quickly your CV is leveling up? Next, let's find and showcase your top skills using AI. For this stage, you will need to copy 2 to 3 job descriptions for a role you are targeting for. Then ask ChatGPT. Compare these job descriptions and list the most common and critical skills required. Then match them into my experience. This helps you build a skill section that's actually relevant and optimized for applicant tracking systems. ChatGPT might hallucinate for a while, but ask it to keep it factual and it will give you the correct results. Last but not least, you can use ChatGPT to tailor your CV to a job description. Here's a prompt you're going to use. Here's my current CV and here's a job description. Upload them. Can you tailor my CV to match this role while keeping it honest and professional? This step is key in 2025. Some recruiters want tailored CVs, and ChatGPT can help you do that in minutes, not hours. However, you have to be careful with tailoring your CV to every job description because, as you'll see the results, it's going to narrow down the experiences that only fit the job description. And in 2025, the world also is rewarding generalists. So if you have a CV that has some general experience, you could tailor some sections of the CV and leave your general experience also in the CV. Thanks for making it to the end. And as a reward, I'm going to give you a bonus prompt. We can use ChatGPT to design STAR stories for interview preparation. STAR is an acronym that stands for situation, task, accomplishment, and results, and is usually a common framework for answering interview questions. So this is a prompt you're going to use. Based on this accomplishment, you're going to add the accomplishment below. Can you create a STAR story I can use in an interview? ChatGPT may not be very accurate, so you also need to edit out what you need to do. So for all your experiences, you can use this prompt to create a STAR story that you can use in the interview. Using ChatGPT to prep for interviews while writing your CV is doubling the value of this tool. And you're not done yet. You need to present your CV. So you're going to make it look professional. Drop your polished CV content into Canva using a clean, modern template. Design matters. Your CV should look as good as it reads. I often discourage people from having very flashy templates because the first thing to read your CV is a machine and it needs to be able to read the entire CV. So I usually propose to just use clean, modern templates without too much graphic design and colors, just to enable the machine, the applicant tracking system, to read your CV. And that's it. A professional CV powered by ChatGPT in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more AI career tips. And if you want me to create a specific video about AI in your career, comment below and I'm going to create that video next. And don't forget to try that bonus star prompt. Interviews are where offers are won. See you next time.